Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to do zone cleaning on ROBOROCK Saros 20. To do it, click on zones right here and then it'll automatically create a zone. You can resize it to any size that you'd like. Then you can add more zones, of course. And then you can start cleaning and it'll only clean in those zones. Once you click on a zone, you can adjust its settings by clicking on this little adjustment button. So each zone can be set separately to different settings, or you can do vacuum. You can click here and then adjust all the settings to all the zones at once. To delete a zone, you just can, I guess, you can't really delete a zone. Oh yeah, you can. When you press on it, there's this trash icon that appears. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.